This month for our quick tips video, we are going to take a look at our document library module. This is a module that allows you to create folders and upload documents to store those electronically right here within your eSchedule site. This can be used in a lot of different ways. It could be policy documentation that all of your employees have access to. It could be new hire paperwork that just your admin staff has access to. Regardless of how you choose to use this, it is a great tool to display additional resources or information to all of your employees. So before we take a look at this module, we are going to take a quick peek at the user profiles. This document administrator user role allows the employee to create folders, upload documents, edit or update existing folders and documents. And lastly, it allows you to delete folders and documents. So if you need that type of access within the document library, you will want to make sure that you have this user role assigned within your profile. All right, let's take a look here at our document library module. Again, as long as you are a document administrator, you will have the ability to create new folders. So you'll see this create folder button here. To add a folder, you will simply click, insert a folder title or name, and then a brief description here. Once you submit that, your new folder will be displayed on the left-hand side here. This is your document library list. And we can take a look at these existing folders. So if you click on a specific folder, you're going to see the list of the documents that have been uploaded. And again, as a document admin, you're going to have several tools available to you within each folder. So up at the top here, we see this upload button. Of course, this just gives you the ability to upload additional documents here. We see this security button. You have the ability to change the security within each folder. So this decides or controls who has access to the folder, who can see it, who can upload, who can edit. So let's take a look at our security options here. Up at the very top, you'll notice that you can assign security based on position. These are those clearances, again, within those user profiles. So if you want a certain group of employees to be able to view this folder and view those documents that you've uploaded, you can simply check that box. Scrolling down here, you can also assign security based on member type or career type. And lastly, you can get even more specific and assign security to specific or individual employees. So this section here, member view security, this will allow any employees checked within this section to simply view your folder. That does include viewing those documents. So employees with this access could download those documents or preview the documents, which we'll demonstrate today. And lastly, below that, you have the member folder admin security section. So any employee whose name is checked here has admin security, meaning that not only can they download or preview or view those documents, but they also have the ability to upload their own documents within that folder and edit that folder. Of course, if you make any changes within the security screen here, be sure to submit to save those changes once you're finished. Going back here to those tools up top, you have that create folder button. This will allow you to create a subfolder. If you notice these policies here, 2010, 2020, these are subfolders within that original policies folder. You can update the folder. This would include maybe renaming the folder. And then of course you have that option to delete the entire folder as well. Now, if we take a look at the documents that we have within each folder, I mentioned you can download those, of course, save those to your computer or device, but you can also click on the specific document here and simply preview that on your computer without having to download and save. You'll want to click that back button in your browser to take you back to this screen. You also have a few tools here within each document. So of course you can download, like I mentioned, you can update that specific document. So again, that could include just renaming or retitling the document. and then you can delete that document as well. If you have any questions about this document library, please do not hesitate to reach out to the support team. We are here and always happy to help.